Why do 90% of home remedies fail to soothe a cough? Not this one. Let's dive in. All right, friends, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of freshly grated ginger, and a small piece of red rock sugar. First, boil your water in a small pot. Once it's boiling, add that freshly grated ginger. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, turn off the heat and stir in the lemon juice. Now, grab that red rock sugar and stir until it's completely dissolved. Let the tea cool slightly before sipping. This soothing blend helps calm your cough and gives you that warm, cozy feeling. So next time your throat's feeling scratchy, remember this easy homemade tea. Sip slowly and feel the relief. Stay cozy and take care. Happy brewing!